Welcome to Follow Me Draw. Today we'll be drawing the gold plates and the Book of Mormon. You'll need a paper, something to draw with, a ruler, and some colors. First, we are going to draw the gold plates. Start with a short vertical line around the middle of your page. From the bottom of that line, draw a diagonal line like this. At the end of that diagonal line, draw another vertical line. This line should be the same size as the first one. Now we're going to draw another diagonal line. This line is going to go up to the left. Now we're going to draw one more vertical line. All three vertical lines should be about the same size. Now to draw the top of the gold plates. Draw 4 diagonal lines like the ones we draw. With the main outline done, we are going to add some more details. A portion of the gold plates were sealed. These next two diagonal lines are going to be the sealed portion of the plates. Now we are going to add the rings or bows that held the plates together. First we put 3 dots on the side of the top page. We drew 2 lines close together going upwards, out of each hole. Draw the 2 lines curving at the top, then going back down. Do the same thing for all 3. Draw 2 straight lines on this section of the plates. This will be the seal on the sealed part of the plates. Next, we drew diagonal lines to show the sheets of gold.
Now we're going to draw the Book of Mormon that we have today. Start with the diagonal line. At both ends of the line, draw two short lines going upwards. You can make them a little bit curved if you want. This is the spine of the Book of Mormon. Next, we added a line on top. Starting at the bottom corner, draw a diagonal line going up to the right. Then another one above it. Finish off the cover of the Book of Mormon with two more diagonal lines like these. Now add a short straight line. This is the corner of the pages. Now we added some diagonal lines for the pages in the Book of Mormon. With all the pencil work done, we used rulers and markers to outline the drawing. Mormon chapter 1 verse 1. And now I, Mormon, make a record of the things which I have both seen and heard, and call it the Book of Mormon. First, me and my dad used pencil to write in the title of the Book of Mormon. Then we outlined the words in marker, and we also added some writing on the gold plates. We just made up symbols and letters for this part. Activity Idea 1. Begin or continue writing a journal. Write about things that happen and things that are important to you. I urge all the people of this church to give serious attention to their family histories, to encourage their parents and grandparents to write their journals, and let no family go into eternity without having left their memoirs for their children, their grandchildren, and their posterity. This is a duty and a responsibility, and I urge every person to start the children out writing a personal history and journal. President Spencer W. Kimball, General Conference, April 1978. Now it's time to color. Here is the finished gold plates and Book of Mormon. Thanks for joining us on Follow Me Draw. For more drawing videos based on Come Follow Me, subscribe to Follow Me Draw.